This barbecue chicken pasta is a lovely simple pasta dish with smoky barbecue sauce. It's got creamy red Leicester in there and crispy bacon bits. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with the pasta. Cook 300 grams or 10.5 ounces of spiral pasta in boiling salted water as per the pack instructions. While the pasta is cooking, heat a tablespoon of oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. We want to add 4 rashers of streaky bacon and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, turning once until browned and crispy. Then remove from the pan and place on a chopping board and roughly slice the bacon up. In the same pan that you cook the bacon, add a peeled and chopped onion and 2 chicken breasts that have been chopped into bite-sized pieces. We also want to sprinkle on 1/8 of a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Cook for about 5 minutes, stirring often until the chicken's sealed and the onion starts to soften. Now we want to stir in 2 minced cloves of garlic. Next in goes a 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of finely chopped tomatoes, a tablespoon of tomato puree, and 80 ml, which is about 1/3 of a cup of barbecue sauce. Stir it all together and bring to the boil, then simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken's cooked through. By now the pasta should be cooked, so we want to drain the pasta, reserving about 1/2 cup of the pasta cooking water. Add the cooked pasta to the frying pan and stir together. You can add in splashes of the pasta cooking water to loosen up the sauce. Now turn off the heat and sprinkle on that crispy chopped up bacon. We're also going to sprinkle on 50 grams, which is about 1/2 a packed cup of grated red Leicester, or you can use cheddar if you prefer. Place under the grill or broiler for 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese has melted. Then remove from the grill and we're ready to serve. I like to sprinkle on some freshly chopped chives. And that's my simple barbecue chicken pasta. My son Lewis absolutely loves barbecue sauce, so I know he's going to absolutely devour it. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.